All right, more division. Now we're just going to straight divide. But before we start, remember to put daddy, mommy, sister, brother, rover. Because we are still following these exact same things. Now, just because the numbers are bigger, it doesn't change anything. We still do it exactly the same way. So I'm going to rewrite this in a way that works best for me. So this is 809 divided by 62. So now, 62 is the number. That's what we're using to divide. So we gotta say, does 62 go into 80? Okay. You gotta look at that. 6 times 2 is 12. So this would be 120. So 2 of these is 120. Does 62 go into 80? Yes, it goes one time. 62 times 1 is 62. So I'm subtracting 18 left over. 62 does not go into 18. Drop down the 9. 62. Does 62 go into 189? Well, I know that 6 times 2 is 12 and 6 times 3 is 18. So I might want to do find out what 62 times 3 is. So if I do 62 and 62 and 62, this would be 8. This would be 188. So yes, it goes 3 times. And I had to work it out. That's 188. 1 left over, remainder 1. So this would be 13, remainder 1. All right, let's look at this next one. 925 divided by 42. All right, does 42 go into 92? Yes, it does, okay? 4 times 2 is 8. So this would be 84. 2 is 84, so let's do 2. That's 84. If I subtract here, it's 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 8 minus 8 is nothing. Put the 5 down. All right, now we just figured out that 42 times 2 is 84, and that goes into this. So I'm going to put 2 again. That's 84. Subtract, that's 1. I have remainder 1. So this is 22, remainder 1. Okay? So you're just going to kind of keep going. You're going to do 4 all the way down to number 10. These should be really easy because this is the first time you're really seeing it. So like 34 goes into 59, 27 goes, I mean, everything goes into everything at this point. When we get to the next assignment, we'll talk more about how do you find out if a thing goes into something. Sometimes you just gotta try it out. Like 18 goes into 41, but it goes more than one time. So you might want to just start adding, 18 plus 18. 8 and 8 is 16. This would be 36, okay? This is 2 times. So this is 1 time here. When you add another one, that makes it 2 times. If I add 18 more here, 8 and 8 is 16, 14 here, 5 here. So this would be 3 times. So 3 times is too many here, but 2 is just right. So I would put a 2 here, and this would be 36. And then I would subtract 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. Put a 6, so 56. Now I know that 18 times 3 is 54 because I figured it out. And this is 2 remainder left over. Okay, so sometimes you just got to kind of add up your numbers, because I don't know my 18 times tables. So if I add them up, so 18 times itself is 18 times 1 is 18. 18 times 2 would be adding another 18 to it. That's why it's 36 here. If I add another 18 to it, the answer of that would be 18 times 3. And we could just keep going like that. All right, so you're going to do 2 through 10. Ready, go.